The tension between Thackeray cousins Raj and Uddhav seems to be mounting with each passing day. Recently, Raj Thackeray had alleged that Uddhav had a business deal with NCP chief Sharad Pawar for personal gains. Uddhav Thackeray lashed out at Raj Thackeray, saying that politicians from several parties came to pay their last respects to the founder of Shiv Sena, late Bal Thackeray. However, Raj had not attended the memorial in spite of staying so close to the venue. He said that if he had attended the memorial, then he would have come to know about the conversation he had with Sharad Pawar that day.
You are a Shiv Sena's chief officer and you feel helplessness. No, I will not do it. What happened that day? How did Sharad Pawar come in the middle? When it was the first day of Shiv Sena's memorial, has nothing been done behind the closed door of four walls? We all were there. Everybody from the state was there. But what is the crazy person's status? No, I do not know. But people came here, whether it was politics or others. Sharad Pawar came, LK Advani came, everybody else came. But in spite of being front of your home, you did not come. Since you did not come, so the conversation that I had with Sharad Pawar, I'll say it again, if you would not have come, you would not have known about it. If you would have come, then would sat beside you. When we were sitting, then people were speechless as to what needs to be said. What do you think? I don't have emotions. If I cried, then what will you do? I will not cry.
Uddhav said he does not care about criticism being piled on him, and so he decided to end this issue here.
Take out Milind Deora's measurement. Take it out for Congress. Take it for Sharad Pawar. And take it out for Rahul Gandhi and for everyone. This election is for the country and it is not for me and you. If you have left Shiv Sena after getting upset from Uddhav, then why do you wait for Uddhav's call? When Bala Saheb was alive, then attacked him for back. If he did not listen to Bala Saheb, then will he ever listen to me? And that is why I am closing the issue here and put as many allegations as you want, but I will not care.
Thackeray claimed if any charges of corruption within the Mumbai Municipal Corporation were proved, then he would quit politics.
Then Sharad Pawar, who was sitting, asked me, Uddhav, what happened to the memorial? And then said, I will not come to your door for begging. I said, look, who all should I take? And then I said, it's your wish. Said, should I take everyone? Then I said, do one thing. Those who have left us, take them. And whether Shiv Sena's chief understand or not, but he will think that how big he was. Then he said, I will see to it. I will quit politics if there were corruption in Mumbai Municipal Corporation.
This report was brought to you by NNIS.